Good morning! Welcome to our class. For today's lesson, we will discuss multiplication fraction. We have three topics. Our first topic is multiplying a fraction by another fraction. Let's have first our quick review. 1/4. 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Let's proceed now to our lesson, multiplying a fraction by another fraction. To multiply fractions, write the product of the numerators over the product of the denominator. Then, simplify the product if needed. Let's see the example. 2/4 times 2/3. First, multiply the numerator. 2 times 2 equals 4. Next, multiply the denominator. 4 times 3 equals 12. The answer of 2/4 times 2/3 is 4/12. Let's simplify 4/12 to lowest term. 4/12 is a proper fractions. So, here are the steps. First, let's find the GCF of 4 and 12. The GCF of 4 and 12 is 4. Next, let's divide the GCF to given fraction. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Therefore, 2/4 times 2/3 equals 4/12 or 1/3. The lowest term of 4/12 is 1/3. Here the other example. 2/5 times 1/2. Numerator first, 2 times 1 equals 2. Next, the denominator. 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's simplify the 2/10. The GCF of 2 and 10 is 2. Let's divide the GCF to given factor, which is 2 and 10. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Therefore, 2/5 times 1/2 equals 2/10 or 1/5. The lowest term of 2/10 is 1/5. Third example, 7/8 times 5/6. Numerator first, 7 times 5 equals 35. Next, the denominator, 8 times 6 equals 48. Let's see if 35/48 have a lowest term. Let's check the GCF of both number. 35 and 48 have no common factors greater than 1. Therefore, 35/48 is already a lowest term. Let's remember this. When multiplying a fraction to another fraction, multiply first the numerator, next the denominator. Check the product if you need to simplify it. If needed, divide the numerator and denominator to their GCF. Our second topic is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, express the whole number in the fraction by putting 1 as a denominator, then multiply it. Here are the examples. 3 times 1/5. Step 1, express the whole number in fraction with denominator of 1. The whole number is 3. Let's put 1 as a denominator of a whole number 3. Therefore, whole number 3 become 3/1. Let's multiply 3/1 times 1/5. 3 times 1 equals 3. 1 times 5 equals 5. Therefore, 3/1 times 1/5 equals 3/5. Another example, 7 over 9 times 6. Again, express the whole number in fraction form with denominator of 1. So 6 become 6 over 1. So 7 over 9 times 6 over 1. Multiply the numerator. 7 times 6 equals 42. Then the denominator. 9 times 1 equals 9. Let's simplify 42 over 9 because they have a common factors. 42 over 9 is improper fractions because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here are the steps. Let's do the division. Let's divide 42 and 9. 9 divided by 42 equals 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 42 minus 36 equals 6. The answer of 9 divided by 42 is 4 remainder 6. 4 is the whole number and the remainder is 6. Next, write the remainder as a fractions. So remainder 6 become 6 over 9. 9 is the denominator because it is the original denominator from the given fraction. Lastly, let's combine the whole number and remainder that become a fraction. 42 over 9 become 4 and 6 over 9. Let's simplify 6 over 9. Look for the GCF of 6 and 9. The GCF of 6 and 9 is 3. Let's divide the GCF to both number. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, the lowest term of 4 and 6 over 9 is 4 and 2/3. Now, 7 over 9 times 6 over 1 equals 42 over 9 or 4 and 2/3. Our last topic is cross cancellation. Common factors appearing in numerators and denominators of any of the two fractions being multiplied can already be cancelled even before actually proceeding with multiplication. Apply the cross cancellation by using GCF or the greatest common factors. Here the example. Let's see. 2/3 times 3/4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 4 equals 12. 6 over 12 have a lowest term. Let's do the cross cancellation. Let's use their GCF. The GCF of 2 is 1 because 2 times 1 equals 2. Next, the GCF of 3 is 1 because 3 times 1 equals 3. Then, the GCF of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 equals 4. Therefore, 2 become 1 and 3 become 1. 2/3 become 1 over 1 and 3/4 become 1/2. Let's multiply it. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. Therefore, 2/3 times 3/4 equals 6 over 12 or 1/2. The lowest term of 6 over 12 is 1/2. Let's check if it is correct. The GCF of 6 and 12 is 6. Let's divide the GCF to both number. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Therefore, the answer in cross cancellation and multiplying by another fraction is the same. Here the other example. 3 over 10 times 4 over 9. The GCF of 3 is 1, while the GCF of 10 is 5. Therefore, 3 over 10 become 1/5. Next, the GCF of 4 is 2, while 9 is 3. Therefore, 4 over 9 become 2/3. So, let's multiply 1/5 times 2/3. 1 times 2 equals 2. 5 times 3 equals 15. 2 over 15 is already simplified or in lowest term. Therefore, 3 over 10 times 4 over 9 equals 12 over 90 or 2 over 15. 2 over 15 is the lowest term of 12 over 90. Let's remember this. To multiply a fraction by another fraction, multiply the numerators and the denominator. Simplify the product when needed. Next, to multiply a fraction by a whole number, change the whole number to a fraction with the denominator of 1. Multiply the numerator, then denominator. Express your answer in lowest terms. Lastly, common factors appearing in the numerators and denominators of any of the two fractions being multiplied can already be cancelled even before the actually multiplying. Our lesson for this day is already done. Look forward for our next lesson next week. Please like and share our video for this day. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you on next week.